Ever feel like your hard-earned money just disappears? You work long hours, but your bank balance barely budges. The path to financial freedom is often blocked by hidden barriers. Today, we reveal the 10 mistakes keeping you from wealth. Mistake number 1. Flying blind without a budget. Without a plan, your money manages you instead of the other way around. When spending categories for dining and entertainment swell, your savings slice shrinks until it's practically invisible. Mistake 2. Saving as an afterthought. Most people save what is left, but the wealthy pay themselves first. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account the moment your paycheck hits. Make building wealth your first priority. Mistake 3. Neglecting consistency. Success isn't about one big win. It is about the power of compound interest over time. Small, daily contributions might seem insignificant now, but over years, they grow into a massive mountain of capital. Mistake 4. Impulse buying. That must-have item today is often a thief stealing from your future self. Every flash sale click is a leak in your financial bucket. Stop the emotional spending to keep your wealth intact. Mistake 5. The subscription trap. Small monthly fees feel harmless, but they combine into a silent, heavy drain. Mistake 6. Lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, don't let your expenses chase it. Avoid the hedonic treadmill. Earning more only matters if you keep more. If you run faster just to stay in the same place, you aren't winning. Mistake 7. Relying on a single income. In today's world, one source of revenue is a point of failure. Diversify your streams. When one slows down, others keep your financial foundation steady and secure. Mistake 8. Chaotic routines. Late fees and forgotten bills are unnecessary taxes on your progress. Automate everything. Mistake 9. Failing to measure progress. If you don't track your net worth, you can't improve it. Finally, mistake 10. A lack of vision. Without a why, you will eventually lose your how. Define your dream. Your financial future starts with a single decision. Avoid these mistakes, take control, and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies.